Although there are many ways of correcting our skin tones in Photoshop or in real life, but there is a one way that I'm gonna share with you, which is using color palette. You can color correct your skin tones in Photoshop. Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna learn about how to use color palette in Photoshop for color correcting our skins or any other color corrections. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here we are in the magical world of Photoshop. So if you want to download this image and the color palette layer, go ahead and check out, links is in the description box. So now we took a color palette in the image and let's adjust it something like this and take it closer to the face. Okay, so now just hit enter. Now hit enter and just zoom a little bit. Okay, so now here you see in the color palette there are many numbers given. Okay, so the numbers are like 230, 198 and something like that. So the numbers in the first row are the values of red, and the numbers in the second row are the values of blue, and the numbers of third row are the values of green. Okay, so these are the values of RGB, and the color palette of are according to different skin tones. Some of them are bright and some of them are dark. So let's just take a lasso tool and make a selection something like that in which we don't cover the highlights and the shadows. Just go for the midtones. Okay guys, don't go for highlights and shadows, just go for midtones. So in this way you make a selection something like this. So here our selection, and now just press Ctrl and Command J to make a copy of your selection. Now just turn on the selection and go to filters. Now in filters just go to the blur. Now in blur just go to average. Now here is your average of the skin of the subject. Okay, so this is the skin tone of your subject. Now let's take a sample of the skin tone of subject and the skin tones which is matching to the skin tones of your subject in the color palette. So let's just go to the color sampler tool and just click on it. Now match the color. Which color do you think is matching to the color of your subject skin tone? So I think this is second one. Okay, so firstly just click on the skin tone of the subject to take a sample of the skin tone, and now again click on the skin tone color palette of which you want to go for the skin tones. Now just move it aside and go to the color palette layer and go to the curves. Now in curves, here is a hand tool, as you can see. So this hand tool, what basically do, so when you click on the hand tool and just click on any part of the image, so it just sample that area and create a point on the curves. Okay, so that's how your hand tool works in the curves. So let's just first talk about the samples of our skin tone that we have taken. Okay, so here, as you can see, the value of RGB, red, green, blue are given. That is of first sample, and the second sample RGB is given. So what are these? So actually in first sample the values of RGB are the values of your subject skin tones, and in the second sample the value of RGB are the skin tones of the color palette which is matching to your subject, and at which point we are going to create our skin tones of our subject. So these are working like this. So now move to curves. So now in curves choose red, and by selecting hand tools just click on the first sample. So by just click on the point just that we have sampled on the subject face. So just click on, and here as you can see a point is automatically created. Okay, so we have to increase up to the values of the color palette which we have given. Okay, so what is the value of red? It's 218. Okay, and the values is 213. So just increase a little bit, something like this. Now go to the green, and in our greens the values of in color palette is 171 and our subject's value is 151. So just increase up to 171. Okay, something like this you can increase. Okay, now go to the blue and also increase blue up to 145. So just increase it something like this. Okay, so here you go. Now just delete the color palette layer and the selection layer. Okay, so now as you can see, just fit it on this portion. So now as you can see, here is the before and here is the after. So before and after. Okay, so now as you can see, your image skin tones looks really realistic and it's look fine than previous one, because in previously it's look too reddish and now it's look fine, but it's too bright. So just decrease. So let's just decrease the highlight. So by just decrease it something a little bit, something like that, it's fine. Yeah, that is fine. Now as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. So let's make a group of both the layers. Okay, so how you gonna make the group of both layers? Just click on any layer and hold shift and just click on the another layer and just click on the folder button. Here as you can see, there is a folder button beneath. So just click on it and your group is created. There is another way. What is? Just by selecting both layers, just press Ctrl Command G. The group is created. So here is the before and here is the after. Some adjustments and using color palette. So there is before and after. Okay,